Welcome Green Mountain TV. The search for happiness turns a woman's life upside down in a warm, quirky, and big-hearted novel about the joys and chaos of finding love by the best-selling author of Matchmaking for Beginners. After too many dates, 30-something Mimi Perkins is still single, unmoored, and longing for love. So when Ren Yardley, a handsome, divorced fellow drama teacher and single father, falls in love with her and proposes, she's sure this is at last the good news her psychic predicted. Soon after proposing, Ren receives the devastating news that his ex-wife has been in a debilitating car accident, prompting him to temporarily move back into his former home to care for her and his daughters. The unfailingly loyal Ren also wants to keep Mimi close, so she packs up her life in New York City and follows him to New Haven, Connecticut. There, she finds a job and unexpected community at a quirky local daycare. But as time goes by, it begins to seem that Ren and his estranged family might be slowly reuniting, and Mimi has to figure out what she's willing to fight for and what she needs to let go of. One thing is for sure, she would have never guessed that her psychic was right after all. Life's twists, turns, and disasters just might lead her to unexpected happiness.